All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. We're about to give you a cold start, and then we're headed off to the dealer. You guys know what's about to happen. I actually don't remember where I parked.
You remember what floor?
No, yeah, I think it's this way.
Oh my God.
No, it's definitely different. It's definitely different. No, I found it. It's right there.
Bro, I didn't see that.
It's right there. I forgot where I parked.
Goofy.
Yeah, Moose is back here for another video. It's the second video he's in now.
It is?
Yeah,
oh, yeah,
we did the other one.
Yeah, the other one.
He has not heard the exhaust, so I'm about to show him what it sounds like.
The unedited version.
The unedited version is crazy.
Boy, about to add Lambo exhaust.
Supercharger sounds.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool start. Wait till I rev it. Hold on, chat. We're 13 minutes away from this car dealership. This is where I got the IS350, the one I currently have. I'm gonna try to go see what cars they got. This is where they would have had the S4, but I haven't checked their catalog, so we're gonna go pull up, see what cars they got, maybe try to make a deal if they can get me an ISF. As I said before, only IS250s around here, bro. No 350s. Oh, also, the dealership is over there. I forgot to show that.
You boys don't think you
private parking only.
Ain't nobody gonna do nothing, bro.
No, we getting furniture too.
Yeah,
we getting the car and furniture.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know.
On the way here, bro, I need to get a dash cam. Some woman driving a minivan almost hit me. So, hey, they got a modded Camry though. I like my cheese drippy. Porsche. What's the asking price?
Guess.
No, I'm not. Bro, I don't got my
Oh yeah, I forgot. You can't see anyway.
135K.
Oh, you was close.
How much?
128.
128?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna try to sit with someone so we can see if they got any ISFs in stock at auctions.
I just need a first name, last name, and a phone number.
So I'm looking for 2011 to 2013. But if there's if there's like a good deal on like a 2008, 2009, 2010 around there, then I wouldn't mind anything. Anything under 200K, I don't really mind if it's high mild, as long as obviously like the Carfax report is clean and it's been well maintained.
40,000.
40,000. It's 50. You said 59K miles, 58K miles, 09, 40K. That's what I've been struggling. I've been struggling with finding them in general. That's the only one they have available then at the auction. Yeah.
It's real car.
Yeah. What year?
2012.
2012. What's the ask?
It would be around 25, 26.
Okay. That is something more that I would. What color?
It's gray on black.
Gray and black. All right. Well, we got something emailed to ourselves. Thank you. We appreciate it. All right. So it wasn't for nothing. I'm gonna check my email. 26K for an 0800. What is? Oh no, it wasn't 12. The other one was 08, I think. How many miles did he say it had though? That's not bad. Yo, security mode on this Tesla already turned it on like I'm trying to rob it. And no one want this battery. That's not that bad. That's actually not that bad. I'm gonna take a look at it. If it's honestly not too bad of a deal and the Carfax isn't bad on it, I actually might come back for it. Like, I want to swap over to an ISF now.
That was Ali's.
I wanted to go look at the Camry, because the Camry, although I'm not that much of a Camry fan, they actually did a pretty good job. It's all blacked out. This is a Camry. Is that? No, I thought it was a carbon fiber hood. It is a carbon fiber hood. Never mind, I'm a liar. It took care of this boy. Damn. They got the aftermarket Lexus lights.
Look at that.
It's actually really clean. Everything is blacked out. We're not done. We're gonna go to Lamborghini Paramus. That's where the Stradman got his Lambo. So we're gonna go check out what they have, because they obviously have crazier cars.
We're gonna see what we can buy.
A little bit of manifestation. We're gonna manifest a little bit. There's this place called Top Gear Imports that looks fire on the photos, but if I show you the actual location, it looks so sus. Look, wait, let me show them the photos first. This is what the photos the place has, right? Where they got a bunch of like cars, you know what I'm saying, a bunch of Porsches. And then you go on the actual, I can't go back, hold up. You go on the actual thing, and this is what it's looking like. You're like, we about to get kidnapped and shot. Yeah, and their number when you call them says it's not available. Bro, because, so when I filmed the other video, when I filmed,
that boy
no, wait.
This
This is mine.
I got him.
Bro, this is when I got my car. when I left the car park, I had this in the back of my car, and then I drove halfway through Union City, and I was like, the plate, and I stopped in the middle of the road, ran in the back, because I was stuck in traffic anyway. Ripped the thing off and got in my car.
You got pulled over.
And you know what's funny? I was enjoying. I was cruising. I was like, I was revving my car, calling attention, and then I could have gone to jail because of this,
bro.
Just hit 136. I wasn't even gonna record anymore, but
136,000.
we hit 136,000 on the odometer.
Here we go.
Here we are, Lamborghini down. Look at what they got.
Oh no, we going in the parking lot, boy. I mean, shoot.
Wait, what? That's crazy. All right, look. We just needed to see the car. We need to see the car, get inspired a little bit. We gotta remember what we were here for. Oh my God, that's actually cracked. They got a green Urus.
Line up, bro.
All right, so we made it to Lamborghini Paramis. Look at that. That's crazy. Nah, this is what we needed. This is what we needed.
That motivation right here, bro.
Remind ourselves what we're working for. Look at that. That's actually crazy.
One day or day one. One day or day one. One day or day one.
They got a GTR.
Where?
Right there. They got a red GTR. Yo, just ask them for the keys.
Let me test drive at least one, bro.
Bro, that's crazy.
His hair dyed blonde, JD. They got money.
They got money because they dye their hair?
Yeah. They got money.
Bro. That's actually crazy. What?
This is insane.
Bro. Wait. Just wait. Yo, this is... Hold up. This is actually... Hold up. Bro. Can you imagine coming to... If they should have put this car here. We had the whole rainbow. Taste the rainbow at that point. That yellow one and that red one, bro, looks so... This combo is crazy,
You know what's crazy? I think I would get... If I had a Urus, I would get a wrap like this.
You know what's crazy, though? It looks matte because of the rain.
Does.
But it's because of the rain, though. Right? I'm not tripping.
It does look matte.
Nah. No, it's definitely because of the rain. That's actually crazy. We should ask him to rev the car. Ain't no damn. That is actually insane.
Crazy.
Not us like drooling all over the Lambos. That's it. Back to back is crazy. This orange one.
Look at the inside of this car.
Is insane. This is actually crazy. We're gonna go inside though and see what they got. Of course they got a purple one. They got the purple one right there. Bro, they have a Ferrari. This one is new. That one is new. That Ferrari is also new. And they have an Audi R8. Yeah, but this Ferrari, and it's matte. The matte finish on this is crazy. It's actually insane. Just ask for the keys.
Huh? Might as well, bro. We got money.
One day. Or day one.
One day or day one, bro.
I'm glad I got you clipped when you do. No, do it. You want the race car? You know what's funny? You do got a Mr. Beast type face, like it works for you.
Boy called me a Mr. Beast type face, bro.
It works for you because you get. Wait, where you going? I'm not done. You know what's funny though? You know what's so interesting to me?
What?
How like we go to any other dealership, we stand out like so weird with our cameras. We go to Toyota, we go to like we try to help the community out. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm saying.
And then we come up to places where they don't want. We're broke. We can't afford these cars even if we wanted to. But they ain't kicking us out. Either that or they just feel bad because they think we're homeless. Because we're homeless. Crazy, dude. What do you think the asking price for this car is?
For this one?
Yeah.
It's gotta be like 350. What is it?
I don't know. I don't even know it has a tag. My choices are either three. Look, I'll tell you. I'll give you two prices: $375 or it's gonna be $280. I was gonna say like 265. Well, actually, I don't know, bro, because McLarens are like, I don't know. It might be more. Watch it be like half.
Yeah, right.
Like 500.
I'll be like, excuse me. Not to interrupt, but how much is this car?
460.
Golly!
I was closer. I was closer.
What was yours?
I said 375.
I said 350.
Where's the check? Write the check out, Moose.
Like Mr. Beast.
172K. Yeah, we'll be in it.
Like we're gonna be buying the car. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be buying a car. Yeah, whip out your black MX card. Take out your black MX.
Have these gentlemen right over here. Introduce yourself, please.
Little double vlog.
The Moose Brown.
Moose Brown and
I'm 𝔓𝔯𝔬𝔳𝔉𝔯𝔟𝔰. It's XOTEM and then Lexus. Who owns the Lambo with the Versace wrap?
oh, that's 50 cents.
What? Bro just dropped the name like it was nothing.
53 Versace.
Got it.
Wait, guess how much it is. Guess how much it is first.
If I guess, you gotta buy it.
Okay, go. No, don't guess.
Alright. It's gonna be like.
Listen, I'm gonna shoot you a text in the next 2 minutes.
220. Nope.
Just so you have it.
Yeah, 225.
Tag is right here. It's right here. It's right here. Let me see. Let me look at it first.
225. 225. This thing said.
Damn, this one's crazy though.
We need to.
What's going on, guys?
So
How's it going?
What are we filming? Is it for YouTube?
Yeah. It's just a vlog. Yeah.
Everyday vlogs or is it a portable?
no, mine's a car channel.
Oh, this is a car channel. Mine's every day.
So, I'm just gonna ask a real dumb question then.
No, shoot. There's this thing as a dumb question.
Sometimes, depending on the person, right?
Nah.
So, like, for you, like, how'd you get into the car blog specifically?
So I have a IS 350, and I
Okay.
decided I was like, it's a liability. So I was like, let's make some money out of it. Start a car channel, and then it's doing pretty good right now. So
That's awesome.
so I'm trying to switch out of a car. Obviously not a Lambo, not yet. I want to get an ISF next. A Lexus ISF.
The 500, right?
No,
Oh,
it's ISF. It's older. It's a little older than that, but it's the
Like
V8.
The quad pipes where they're
Yes.
yeah. Bro, I saw one back when I used to go to Bergen Community.
Yeah.
And I literally shit myself because I was like,
Yeah, no,
don't see
bro.
those.
No, yeah, they're a little harder to find. So I'm trying to get into that next, and then hopefully one day come get a Lambo.
bro. And now for you, bro, what do you do that's so cool that you gotta make a daily vlog?
Yeah, tell us.
Me, Mr. Beast.
Really?
Yeah.
You met Mr. Beast?
Yeah.
Out in New York?
Like Beast Burger.
Oh, when he opened it in America.
Yeah.
Yep.
Bro, that's sick though. You know
Trying
what's
to get into
fun?
one of his like challenge videos.
Really?
I'm trying to.
You're on Instagram, bro?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram.
So I saw you guys walking up and down the
Yeah.
strip.
Yeah.
And I was like, I can't wait for them to come in. And I'm like now stuck on the computer, so I haven't been able to say.
Yeah.
Oh, no, you're good. You're good.
So I just felt bad, and I was like,
Yeah.
don't come around here. I'll be able to talk.
Yeah.
Real quick, what's your name, man?
Moose.
Moose? I'm
Yeah.
Gio.
Nice to meet
JD,
you.
bro.
I gotta see how the growth progresses.
Yeah, of course.
Steady, bro. But
And then one day you're gonna be coming in, both of you guys actually, not just you, both of you guys are gonna be coming in for your Lambos.
Absolutely.
we'll come in. We're getting our Lambos from you.
Gotta make it official, right?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Sir.
So,
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate
wish
it,
you the
brother.
best of luck,
Listen,
alright, bro?
Thank you.
it was a pleasure talking to you.
Of course,
I'll
man.
be seeing you again.
100%. For you guys specifically,
Yeah.
Lambo owners are the best people to network with because those are the people that
Yeah.
really are from the dirt up, and they don't lose the humility.
Yeah.
I used to work at valet service,
Yeah.
bro, and the people that let me drive their cars were the Lambo owners. So that just goes to show, like, when you
Yeah, no,
work
for
and
sure.
meet those people and they're open, forget about it. World's your oyster.
No.
Yeah, we coming. We coming.
Soon. She was
Alright,
telling me
guys.
hopefully in the spring, but it was a pleasure
Nice meeting you.
Yo, thank you. That went better than expected. And once again, like I said before, we go to all these other places. They never want to talk to us.
Never,
they just
bro.
want to kick us out. The
Booty.
second we come to
As soon as
Lambo,
we come to Lambo, always
they
talk
trying to
us.
network with us. Isn't that crazy though?
Just met the guy in there. Gio, the boy, the homie. We gonna buy a car from him soon.
One day. We are back on campus. I'm going to record 2 videos that I got to get done for TikTok. And then after that, I still have something to show you guys once we get back to my dorm. It sounds like a gun. Look how crazy the fog is over there, bro. Can you see with the lights off? Yeah, you still can. That's a crazy, bro. It looks like something out of a horror movie. Look at this. Actually looks even crazier. This looks insane. Yo. This boy a nerd, bro. Hey, I'm so sorry. This is actually so fire. What to do, Moose?
Bro, if you don't turn that dang camera off, bro.
I don't know what the heat to do. Huh?
Why you literally recording something, bro?
Hold up. Let me see if I can reach the gas pedal. Okay, I can reach it. That was a brake.
Jeez, I felt the ground vibrate. Race him.
Race the Honda?
Race him.
Alright, I gotta.
That food smell good, bro. I'm smelling Sam's.
Wait.
Alright.
Let me record.
That's funny.
Oh, wait. I think I gotta turn off my car first.
Well, it's a good thing because I just farted, bro.
They ever tell you look like Johnny Depp? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we are back in my dorm, if that isn't obvious. There's a thing I was going to show you guys, which was that the ISF that the guy sent me is not too bad of a deal. It can either be a really good deal or it can be a horrible deal. Now, let me show you why. So, the asking price for this car is $25K, which is crazy considering the fact that it has structural damage. But I think if you can negotiate this down, you can get a pretty good deal on it. For starters, it says, I thought this said not drivable, but it is. First of all, this vehicle, I was looking at some of the history on it. I didn't run a Carfax because I'm going to let them pay for that. The vehicle history shows that it sold in October for $21,995. Don't know why they're asking for $25K. It's probably because they know I'm going to negotiate it. But the structural damage is where the issue comes into play. This car needs a good amount of love. When you're buying a car, especially used, you don't want to buy a car that has structural damage. And the way you know that is by looking, especially this only applies to getting rear-ended. In the back of the car where the spare wheel goes, if there is any kind of damage to that, it's very difficult to fix. So you preferably should stay away from those vehicles. If done right, then that's an exception. This car has a questionable repair. You can see right here, this is where the spare tire goes. That's probably where they ended up welding it, and it looks like it's a bad job. I'm not going to cap with you guys. It looks like a really bad job. And it needs new tires, obviously. The bumper also is coming off in the front and in the back. That's from, I have no clue. I imagine when I run the Carfax, I can find out how bad of an accident this car was in. On this website that I found, that has really good photos, so I don't know, I don't think it's fake. It says it sold for $15K. You can see over here exactly where the door panel has that same issue that all cars have, where it's chipping. Also on this side right here. So both passenger and driver sides would need to be replaced. There is paint fading and chipping on certain parts of the car. Undercarriage itself doesn't look like it has a lot of rust. It's not in Jersey, so I imagine it's probably down south. It's a 2012, which means it has an updated LSD. So it's not too bad of a deal if it's able to fall under the, $19K mark. It wouldn't be too bad. Like I said, it could be either a very good deal or a horrible deal where someone pays $25K for this car, which it is not worth. If it does end up being a really good deal, then it'll be a project car. We'll work on it. If not, then I'm running away from this vehicle and I'm finding another one. That does wrap up today's video. So if you did enjoy it, listen, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We're trying to get to 2K by the end of the year, which only leaves about, 2 more weeks? We're at 1,620, so we're really, really close. So just hit the subscribe button because a lot of you guys aren't. Listen, just start now, join now while it's early. Keeping track of names, and we're all going to the top together. I'll see you guys on Sunday.